The number one fasting method that beats 16 to 8. They told you the 16 to 8 fasting method was the best way to lose fat. But a massive 2025 study just shattered that belief. Because one fasting method burns nearly twice as much fat. And here's the twist. Almost nobody's talking about it. But before you switch, there's a catch that could completely destroy your results if you get it wrong. You'll want to hear this. This new study didn't come from influencers or internet gurus. It came from the British Medical Journal, one of the world's most trusted scientific sources. They analysed 99 clinical trials, over 6,500 people. And what they found might flip everything you've heard about fasting upside down. By the end of this video, you'll know which fasting style burned 2 times more fat, why it works, and who should never try it. For years, social media made it sound simple. Skip breakfast, eat in an 8-hour window, and watch the belly fat melt off. But here's what they don't tell you. Your body doesn't start burning stored fat right away. It takes hours just to burn through stored glucose. And with only 16 hours of fasting, most people never even reach that true fat-burning zone. That's exactly why researchers started comparing fasting styles. And what they found will make you question everything you've been doing. Before we dive in, quick favor. If you've ever tried fasting and felt stuck or frustrated, hit that like button. It helps this video reach more people who want to lose weight naturally without pills or crash diets. Here's how the researchers broke it down. 5 fasting and eating styles. 1. Time-restricted eating, the classic 16 to 8. 2. Whole-day fasting, 5-2. Eat normally 5 days, fast for 2. 3. Alternate day fasting. Eat 1 day, fast the next. 4. Continuous calorie restriction. Your everyday calorie deficit. 5. And a control group that didn't diet at all. Most participants were overweight or had metabolic issues like insulin resistance or fatty liver. This wasn't a quick lab test. It lasted up to a year. Now here's where it gets shocking. The 16 to 8 group lost just 3.5 pounds. Daily calorie restriction, 4.5 pounds. The 5 to 2 diet, around 5 pounds. But alternate day fasting, 7.5 pounds of fat lost, nearly double 16 to 8. And the researchers didn't mince words. Alternate day fasting produced the most consistent fat loss across all studies. But hold on. Before you get too excited, this method has one huge downside that most people never see coming, until it's too late. And that's where most people fail. Stick around, because this part could make or break your results. If you're serious about improving your metabolism naturally, subscribe now. We post science-backed tips on fasting, hormones, and holistic weight loss every week. No gimmicks, just real results that last. So why does alternate day fasting work so well? It's simple. You're fasting for a full 24 hours, not just skipping breakfast. That gives your body enough time to completely use up stored glucose and switch fully to burning fat for energy. It also improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your body stores less fat after you eat. And surprisingly, many people say it's easier mentally. You're either fasting or not. No constant calorie counting, no guilt, no guessing. But here's the reality check. This method works incredibly well short-term, 8 to 12 weeks. But almost nobody can stick to it long-term. Fasting entire days is tough. It's socially awkward, mentally draining, and not sustainable for most people. That's why, after 6 months, the fat loss gap between all fasting styles nearly disappeared. So yes, alternate day fasting burns 2 times more fat short-term, but consistency still beats intensity over time. And if you think this means 16-8 is useless, think again. There's one situation where 16 to 8 actually outperforms alternate day fasting. When life gets busy, or when you want a fasting plan that feels effortless. Because what you can stick to will always beat what you can't. If you want a short-term fat-burning boost, alternate day fasting is your winner. If you want sustainability, go for the 5 to 2 or a flexible 16 to 8. Because the best fasting method isn't the one that looks good on paper. It's the one that fits your life. As the researchers said, adherence, not intensity, determines long-term success. And that's your quote for today. If you want to learn exactly how long you should fast to trigger autophagy, your body's natural detox and repair switch, watch this next video right here. It'll show you when your body flips from burning food to burning fat. And remember, it's not about fasting harder, it's about fasting smarter.